Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I would like to make another demo. So is zakat flutter. So yeah, now we're going to begin to the name zakat. I mean zakat flutter code. Yeah. So there are three code in the zakat screen. So the firstly, we enter the zakat screen, and the second one is card reset harta, and the last is mandar. So we directly begin to the application. I mean the files. We begin at the first is Saka screen. Yeah, yeah. So here, yeah, wait, yeah. So here, I'm gonna explain you as usual, code by code. So here, yeah, I'm gonna first explain the import. So this import is give access to the all file UI widget like a text field, and also this import has a currency harta. Is a custom widget file. Yeah, your own file uses to show result in a card design, and a color constant import is constant predefined color variables for constant color dim, and color mask and flutter mask text too as uses to format numbers automatically with thousands parameters like 1 millions. Yeah, import until is used for formatting currencies or number like turning 1,000 into I mean from 1 0. There's a dots, so we add the intel, so they will show in dots like 10,000 for example, 10 dot thousand. All right, now we come to the class. Yeah, the class here. Yeah, this what we call it the widget declaration. Yeah, so the explanation about this code. So Zaka screen is a page screen in your Flutter app. It is stateful, meaning it can change automatically. For example, after pressing is the OK button, so there are the OK button in the application, the value update. The value will update. And how about the Zaka screen state? This is where you put your logic and UI. And we come oh, I forgot. Like this two. It's also, yeah. It's also, I forgot about it. Oh no. And then oh no. The final. I mean, yeah, the final until this. Alright. So this the final money mask text controller under string format zakat dikeluarkan. So we call it variable and the controller for its code. And for explanation, so control rupiah, or we can say control the text import and automatically 1,000 separates like 1 million, and total harta stores the users is store the user to the money input. What is and in zakat dikeluarkan stores how much is for storage how much zakat need to be paid, and also this code then also have a nisab. We can in this code we can say minimum harta. So the nisab is minimum wealth that makes the obligatory set we set at 85 millions rupiah, and then we formatted the total harta and formatted zakat dikeluarkan store result in currency format 10 million. And we come to the hitung zakat, avoid hitung zakat. Yeah, yeah. You can see this zakat calculation function. Yeah, the zakat calculation function. Yeah, so explanation takes it takes the input from the text field, and also it remove all dots because dots are just for display, and this code also convert it convert it into the double number so math can be done. Yeah, we continue at the this one. Yeah, in the input value. Yeah, so yeah, this code, if your money is more than or equal to 85 million, zakat applies the zakat formula 2.5%. We zakat kali in, ya dikali total with the total wealth. So yeah, the state we gotta update the screen with the new values and formatting result. Nah, this line, yeah, is format the numbers into the Indonesian rupiah style, like yeah, like 100 rupiah. So this codes formatted the numbers into Indonesian rupiah style. So the number is not all dollars and euro. So yeah, this code to make the our money our numbers, yeah, our money numbers, value of the value is gonna going to be rupiah, not the euro or anything. Yeah, and also the else. So yeah, so this code, yeah. So this the else if the money is below 85 million is showing a warning pop-up dialog. So your example, you are put 8 millions for zakat. So they will show an alert on dialog. The alert is peringatan. We can say peringatan in bahasa. And the content cons ada down of the peringatan. So they say total belum mencapai hisap. So what should we do? So we add 85 millions of rupiah, and then this button, this pop up not will show anymore after we put 85 millions. Yeah, and after that we click OK. Now we enter to the upright this code. Yeah, so this is where the screen layout UI is built. Yeah, so override widget built, so it's the where is the screen layout UI built, so it's for the UI build. And the formatting for this for the display here's one. Oh my god. All right, so this is just change a dot to, I can set comma, yeah, for this spice, for the spice style, yeah, for this style only. So this code is for maybe our numbers. We change to the from the dot, the dot tick to the comma for this spice style, and card input selection here one. All right. So yeah, we set this car is a car input section. So it's the container widget. I mean the container code. I mean, so a container with the padding and margin for nice spacing, and also is the when also it's we use a background color. We use a light green. So what is inside the card? Yeah. So here the code. Oh, I'm sorry. This one.
That's how the code is for video title. This is the main title, big bold and readable. Readable text. Okay. Now let's move on to the detailed video guidelines screen.dat. Okay.
Alright. This actually,
Okay. So in detailed video guidelines screen.dat, the explanation is the page that opens when the user taps a video in the list.
yeah. So
Okay.
actually, it's a
Let's visit
long
the video
text.
to
We
account the
call
initial
the
process
in
name,
this this
the
inside the
title,
card.
and also
So
short
actually, it's
description.
very long
That is the purpose
code. Yeah,
in
this is the
detailed
most very long
in
code.
the
So
detailed
add a
video
child
guidelines
into
screen.dat.
the child text. Okay. So the
Okay.
explanation. So the
So this
text
is the
format
user
felt.
import,
This
and in
format
this
file
detailed video
is the
guidelines
where, yeah,
screen.dat,
this is the code, the target format file with
this
the
is
where the
the
user
menu
inputs
widget
their total
as
money.
stateful.
Yeah, so this
So we
code
use
will define
stateful widget
the to
to
input
get
our
past
total money,
because the
and
user
with
player needs
as some
text for
what I want some
control
code
playback.
is preferred text to RP. This one, yeah,
And
for a
next
fixed text
is
RP, the add RP before the input
advanced
field, so
detailed video
that's the
guidelines screen.
functions, and the RP before the input field. And this code
So
also, um, when you
uh,
press, it's called the hidden
this
zakat function.
code
So
starting from the
elevated
line 6 until
button,
10, this is the constructor parameters. Yeah, that is for parameters. These are the video details passed from the previous
yeah,
page.
this one. So elevation button, when you press it's for this function code, when you press it calls the hidden zakat function. Yeah, the hidden zakat function. So we can say it is the like um like we
Yeah,
for
this
the
constructor
so
parameters,
how will I explain it? So it the
and
application
these
and the zakat.
are the yeah,
So
as
this
I mentioned
code
before,
is
are
a
the
data
video
function.
details passed from the
So
previous page,
there's a
and
card. So we
they
must
claim
to add
the
the
original count and
numbers of the of our currency
from
money, the
the
value,
detailed
and
video
then we
guidelines screen.
press it. Okay, yeah, and then they
Okay.
will, and then with the elephant button, when the press is called, they hit on zakat. So they will,
Okay, so next one
they
is this.
will calculate
The
the zakat
override
function. Yeah, they will
94 and
call the calculate
95.
zakat function,
So that is
and then
for
the
creating
result
inside
card
the state. I
section.
mean, creating the state, create state here, detail, video guardians can state. And this links the widget
Yeah,
to its test logic.
or yeah, this we call result card section.
And next one is this.
And more explanation
Starting
about
from
this
the line
code. So it
28
is
until
displayed to custom cards
29,
side by side,
this plus
one
video guardians
for
can
total wealth
represents
and one for zakat to pay.
video guardians
Yeah,
pin.
it's usually your custom widget.
That is for video
We
player
use card
controller.
result harta to make it look
So
nice, of
like
course.
the
And
video player
total one,
controller
or we can sell
is
total
the
wealth. We use
controller.
a color red.
The
The
purpose
300, and for
is
the zakat to pay,
this
yeah, zakat
controller
dikeluarkan, we can
image
say that.
play or power
And we use a
control video ID
purple colors.
control code
Maybe
and
I will
analog event.
show it to you the code. I mean the
And
application.
then next
And
one
we next
is this starting from the
that
line
is
31 until 36 at override this one. So that is in a sense
yeah
called when the
this
scene is
means that
fully
I'm putting
exposed
everything
open.
together. So the main
So what
screen.
happens
So
here?
we can say the main screen
So
layout. So this is the layout.
convert URL to
Um
convert
yeah.
URL COID to
Scaffold.
URL
Yeah, this
is
we
simply
the
the
firstly at the
UID from the URL.
S164.
Example
They
URL
select the first. So
blah
this
blah
written
blah and the
scaffold. So
IP
scaffold is the main structure of
ABC123.
your app
So
screen,
image your video
and
ID
then
video to
this
be
code
displayed.
is it is a
The
top bar
video
with
to
the title
display and
zakat and the
autoplay
black and
true.
a back
Video
button,
starts automatically
and
on
they will
true
list view.
and
This
mute
allows
false if
scrolling.
audio is on.
What that
Okay,
they will show. So the header image,
let's
input
move to next
card
one.
harta, result card result.
This one
Okay.
started from the line 41 until 44.
Yeah.
That is this post code when
The
reading a
final
string.
summary about this
This
code.
brings up
So this code
instruction
will stack as a on the
which keep
screen
the
that
memory list
that
or
lets
background
you
only.
input your total money with the automatic currency format.
And
When
the
you
next
press
one
OK, it
is
checks
this
if
for
your
the
money 85 million. If yes, calculate
result post
2.5
is
zakat
for
and
both the
show the
account
result
UI
in the
layout.
card.
So
If
this
not,
means you
show
can
a
change a
warning
bar
that
user money
your
in
wealth
auto video
hasn't
visa.
reached the zakat limit
Here,
and
F bar
everything
is
is native
for
format
shows
in Indonesia
the
rupiah.
title
Yeah,
in the
okay.
top, later in the top of
Now we're going to
video
the
kajian
next
screen. Yourself,
next file. It we can say
F
carousel
bar is
harta.
title,
So
text,
this code
video kajian screen, and
we
video
can
kajian screen
so
is
this cut
color constant,
this
color assignment.
these files, yeah, we can say it.
Yeah,
Carousel
the video
harta is a
title
small
appropriate
reusable
but it
card
reflects
that
the
lets
previous
you
field.
display a title, like what kind of number is it, and a value, a result, the actual amount, and has a custom background color. Yeah. And then now I'm gonna explain you like one
And
code
yeah,
by
this
code.
for the leading
Yeah, we
icon
start
buttons.
as
And
usual as
for
an
example,
import.
so when you click it will show
So
detailed video
explanation
kajian
about this
screen.
code. So the Flutter material there, it's a import is to give access to Flutter core UI widget like text container and edge and the color constant. Of course, we have color constant. Is a your
And this
my
one
own
F10
file that stores
actions
custom color,
brightness of light is
so
yeah
you
is
can
for
easily
the back button
use
for
so I
across
can
the
easily
entire
use
screen.
constant color across
And next
my
one
apps.
is
Yeah.
this starting from
And
the line 69 until
class
72 the
result,
body. So this the body layout. It is
class
single
card
chat scroll
result.
view, so content scroll when long.
Yeah, this one code result.
And next
So
is
we
this
can
one
say this
starting from
code.
the
Yeah,
line
we're creating a
73
widget class.
until
Yeah.
79.
So
Multiplayer here,
the explanation about this
what it
code. So
does,
you are
embeds the actual widget
defining
in
as
the
custom
player,
widget
set
named
the
car
F
harta
or yellow from F
is
bar,
extend
reset
so
for
that
first
widget
player
which mean
event,
is doesn't
player events
change,
like
it just
outplaying,
show
pause,
data.
and buffering,
So it takes
and
three
pause,
input
set state to
parameters:
update UI when
title,
video
result,
state
and
change.
color. The title, the label like total uang or zakat dikeluarkan is for the title, and the result, the actual number or
And
value
this
to show
heading,
like RP
it's
2 million,
each
and the
section
color it's
uses
for background
spelling,
color
punctuation, and orthography
and
content.
for the color also. And
And next one
next
is this
the second one.
widget with this line 83 until
I
86
mean, yeah,
with
not this
account.
one. The cons,
That is for
Kartusat
the account
Harta.
name. So like the account name using like
Yeah,
the account name
we said
with
we set
focus
this
medium,
accounts. We set this the
size
cons
heading.
structure. Well, you can set the
So
cons
the
Kartusat Harta, cons the cons
insert
one. So this is cons
and this
structure.
one
It tells Flutter when
from the
that
line
when someone
75
creates the
until
widget,
98.
the
This
must
for
provide
the
all
account
the
name.
three
So
values:
slightly
the
bigger
title,
for the account
result,
name.
and colors. The cons keyword help Flutter
And
optimize
heading
the
also.
widget is it if it's data never change.
And
Yeah,
next one
super
is
key,
this
super key. So it's passed the
starting from the
widget and the
line
QQ. The
37 until
Flutter
111 is
system
for the video
is
title.
used
It's small and
primarily for
bigger for the
widget
title.
rebuilding.
And
Next,
the last
the
one
override.
is this widget description here starting from the line
Yeah.
190 until 123
So we call is
is for the
the build,
description
the
so video
method, the UI
description.
part. So the explanation about this code. So
And
every widget
this is
must
the
have a
video video
build.
kajian
So
screen.txt file. If you go
functions
to the
is
next
describe
class
what the widget
video
looks
demo
like.
done.
Container
So
used to hold
later when
and
you open up
decorate
the video kajian
content
screen, it will
like a
show
box
the different
and a
faces
padding.
now
Here the
with
padding
this custom
is
background
give
with account
inner
and code the
space
chat name.
to so the text doesn't touch the
Also
edge.
here
The edge
parallel
adds
count
rounded
set all the line
corners
of the
around
description
12
that
pixels
so
and
it
set
will
the
show
background
first
color
video
using the
example.
color
It
variable
will
you
show
pass it in.
thumbnail first and also following from
And
account name which is
Yeah, it's
called
one.
Masalama official.
Yeah, so
Example,
it's instead of the container, we can set a column.
berbakti pada orang tua,
So
which we are
stack
called
widget
this YouTube
vertically
URL, and also the
from top to
description.
bottom,
Like, orang tua
and
video selanjutnya,
scrolls
maka
access
maksimalkan ruang
element,
mengajar ya Allah.
scrolls access
Bagi
element
Islam,
centers.
orang
So the code
kita
makes all child widget centered
and also
horizontally.
in later in video kajian it will show
And we now we add
video kajian
the
which
text.
is first is Kak Salama
Mm,
and next is Berandan Dirja
so yeah, we call it
and also
title text. Yeah.
video
So this code to
and
display the title like total harta,
and all this
and
shows
the title the color white with the color white we use a
and
Queen's medium.
is all
We use a Queen's
the
medium.
data that
Then the space.
the
Yeah.
details
It's
in video
cons.
kajian fit needs
Oh my god.
like in here.
Okay.
Like
So this call this code spacer. So yeah. So we add a vertical space like 32 pixel between the title and the result text. Things of it as waiting room makes your UI look cleaner. And the result harta. And it's the last code of the card result harta. So we called it as default text. Yeah. So
using the bootstrap emulator.
so you know that explanation about this code. So yeah, it's to display the result. For example, 2.3 millions. Also in the white with the bold font. Yeah, the font is bold to make it stand out of more. All right. So yeah, very simple. Now we come to the last file. So it is main dart. Yeah. So in here I make like usual I make the code. This code. So this code for define the application we can. So like I said before, there's a four icon. So this the zakat icon. I make the code so the icon we can click simply to click it, and then we just enter to the inside of the icon. We can the application. So this for the code. Yeah, and then this too, whatever. Zakat screen. This one. All right. That's the code. Yeah. So this code is or only we can click the icon and then we see the inside of it, and now we gonna enter
So here I got
to the application.
So let's open it.
Nah.
And now let's
So
try
here
to open this video kajian button.
there are four icons. So the first one doa, and the second one zakat. So we enter the zakat. Here is the image, the title, and it's the result. Okay, for example, now we're going to add 7 million. You can see here there's a dots. If we doesn't put a dots here, they will not show a dots, like only it's like this.
And now let's see the first link.
Like that. So that's why I put the dots, yeah, the dots code, yeah, to make it simply to make the easy to understand and then see this, and then we can simply to see. Then we press OK. Nah, you can see the alert here. Peringatan kalau belum mencapai harta, belum mencapai hisap 45 gram. So you will need to add 85 millions. 85 millions. So we press OK. Nah, we can see here the total uang. This is the comma. Yeah, the total uang 85 millions, and this zakat that we must to dikeluarkan. It's
another
around
video.
1, 2, 3.
So the second in here, the
One,
second
yeah,
video
two million one
to,
hundred twenty-five
I mean,
thousand.
both
Yeah.
dapat bersalamat
So
ya.
that's the application
Dokter
that will tell you.
dokter Kirandar
That's
itu
the
dia.
that will help
So
tell
yeah,
you before, and
yeah.
then yeah, maybe that's
It
all for
shows
me.
the
I have some
account
mistake. I'm
when
sorry.
Kirandar
Uh,
Indonesia with
it
the
is
name of the start
it's
and
occasion. I
also the
mean,
title is bentuk
this
action
demo I got the
and this is
accept for my
description.
teacher, not to repeat
The
again,
description
and not
is
to repeat
same
anymore. So maybe that's all for me. Okay, assalamualaikum
in
warahmatullahi
my
wabarakatuh.